How does RadiantLogic's observability differ from other solutions that are available on the market?
First of all, we play in the new category that Gartner has announced called iVIP, Identity, Visibility, and Intelligence Platforms. And what's really important here is that we have that holistic view. Right? If we look at that potential competition, whether you're a PAM provider, you're an IGA provider, or you deal with access management in the cloud, you typically only slice in a portion of the problem, whereas we have the holistic view onto it. We provide that identity fabric where we can correlate identities, we can augment those identities with additional information, and we can really serve that into a better holistic view, which is needed because you need to be able to have eyes on everything in the enterprise. So if we look at the differentiation where we stand versus competition, we have the unique ability of aggregating all these identity data, not just the static data, but also add risk scoring, add contextual information, and augment from other sources into one holistic view. And that's really a huge differentiator.